Today we are making a Japanese style breakfast for dinner in 15 minutes. So I have a chicken broth that I simply just poured into a pan here, and it's just chicken broth, simple as that. It's heating up, and meanwhile I have sauteed some mushroom and garlic, and I'm gonna just bring that into the broth to give me some nice like miso soup like. And then so it was simple. I just had chicken broth that I just poured out of the can, or the package here is 30% less sodium. It took like 5 minutes to heat up, and then I just put the sauteed veggies in to give me some miso soup. And the part that takes the longest is the rice. It took 15 minutes. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and now I have rice ready. Now what I did is I had some shrimp skewers from the grocery store, and I just put this on top while it was cooking and put my shrimp in, and now the shrimp are cooked. So I'm gonna serve that up along with some kimchi, which is very healthy. It is good to have 1 fermented food per meal, or 3 a day, to keep optimal gut health. So that is our Japanese breakfast for dinner feast in 15 minutes. Enjoy.